A massive snowstorm hits the northeastern United States, affecting millions. Heavy snowfall blankets the region, causing chaos on roads and streets. Schools across the area shut down, leaving students home from classes. Transportation systems face severe delays, frustrating commuters and travelers. Power outages spread as the storm intensifies, leaving homes in the dark. Emergency services work tirelessly, rescuing stranded motorists and assisting residents. Local authorities provide constant updates, keeping the public informed and prepared. Residents stock up on essentials, preparing for days of snowbound confinement. Community shelters open for those without heat, offering warmth and safety. Safety tips circulate. Stay indoors, avoid travel, and charge devices ahead. Snowplows and salt trucks battle to clear main roads and restore normalcy. Traffic cameras show gridlock, capturing the storm's furious grip on the region. Reporters brave the elements, delivering live coverage amidst blizzard conditions. Social media buzzes with images, videos, and stories of the storm's impact. Urgent background music underscores the severity as the narrative unfolds. A clear voice guides viewers, weaving facts, updates, and local stories together.